Alert! 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 The Fed meeting has concluded, and we have this historic event that has just taken place. That's what everybody is calling it, because the Fed now announced that it will start to reduce the size of its balance sheet starting next month in October. Removal of stimulus. That's what all the people who are not MMT people, that's what they call it, but they are wrong. So, the zombies are reacting exactly in the fashion that I predicted. They are selling gold. They are selling commodities. They are buying the dollar. They are selling treasuries. And it looks like they're selling stocks, not in any sort of a crazy way, but stocks have reversed and they are down. At least the three major averages are down. So, this is the wrong reaction. However, we have to let this play out, okay? As I explained in my last video, and as I have explained many times in the past, this is the same exact error that the zombies are making when they, when they reacted to quantitative easing and all those extraordinary measures that the Fed engaged in, from 2009 to 2015, when they said there's going to be hyperinflation and the dollar was going to collapse. They do not understand monetary operations. They do not understand what quantitative easing is. They're making the same mistake now, only in reverse. Okay, they think that this is removal of stimulus, when in fact it is addition of stimulus. What you want to be doing here, and maybe not today, I think you have to let this play out, because remember that the Fed will only begin this very minor contracting of the balance sheet starting in October, and they're going to ramp that up over a number of months from $10 billion a month up to $50 billion a month. So you're going to have more and more of these zombies who maybe now are kind of just sitting on the sidelines looking at this, and this is a paradigm shift, okay, for the Fed. And it's a paradigm shift for every other central bank in the world, or every major central bank, which has also, they've all engaged in quantitative easing, all right? So they're all looking at the Fed thinking, at some point we're going to have to follow what they do, maybe with their own little tweaks to the program. But so this is the beginning of a paradigm shift. So you got to let this play out. But the way it will play out, now you're going to get the inflation that all of these, Schiff and they print the money and all these guys got wrong. You're going to get it now, because what the central banks are doing is replenishing the economy, now the U.S. economy, but ultimately the global economy, with high-yielding assets, more income, and not necessarily more output, okay? It's just pumping in more income without an offsetting increase in output necessarily. That's the definition of inflation. These guys don't understand it. So this is going to be a major, major buying opportunity for gold. I mean, forget about it. Next year, 2018 and forward, gold's going to be screaming, I'm telling you. And the dollar's going to be so freaking weak. Anyway, you start to see now a lot of countries starting to engage in alternative payment systems, bilateral currency agreements where they're buying oil in different currencies. You got the Chinese introducing an oil futures contract based in gold-backed yuan. So, I mean, there's a lot going on to undermine, some support for the dollar on top of just the fundamentals of what's going on here right now. So this is exactly as I said. By the way, if you're confused about this, if you're listening and you're curious and you want more, sign up for my report, MMT Trader. All the subscribers that I have, they're informed. I think I sent out about 15 emails already today, just talking about what the event and what it portends and what everybody should be doing. So if you go to my website, pitbulleconomics.com, you can get a 30-day free trial. I will send you all the emails from today. You can follow along, all right? And you could download all of my back issues. So go to pitbulleconomics.com and sign up for that. And while you're there, you could also sign up for a 30-day free trial to Zombie Trading. Zombie Trading is my Forex trading service. We front run the zombies and we get out before they die. So that's it for now, folks. Exactly as I called it in terms of how the zombies would behave. And let's let this play out. See you later. Bye-bye.